DIY edible Halloween candy. If you've got a sweet tooth, we've got you covered. Sure, you can go to the store to buy the usual candies and treats, or you can get crafty and make your own spooky sweets. But before we get started, make sure to show us some love by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and clicking the thumbs up button if you like this video. Alright, let's get creepy and creative. To make these scary treats, you're going to need some fondant. Massage it out and add some green and yellow food coloring. Squish it together to mix it in. You might want to wear some gloves for this so you don't end up with zombie fingers. Next, grab a couple of Twix candy bars. Take a piece of the green fondant, roll it out, and wrap it around the Twix bar. Dark chocolate covered almonds make excellent witch fingernails. Press some knuckles into the green fondant with a toothpick. Witch fingers for the win! First, mix some pudding powder with milk. Mix several flavors, stir the mixtures together, and add a packet of gelatin. Use different colors to make it more fun. Stir, stir, stir. Using the medical syringes you find at the pharmacy, suck the mixture up. Display them in a beaker or any glass container. Here's how to make these little guys. Mix some green food coloring into a piece of fondant and massage it in. Keep adding color until you're satisfied with the look. When it's the perfect shade of green, form it into a marshmallow-shaped head. Push a colorful straw through the bottom. Let's give this monster some hair. Dip the top in a bowl of melted chocolate and let it cool. Now let's make some eyes. Form 2 small balls out of fondant and put black dots in the center with food coloring. Use frosting gel as the glue to hold on the eyeballs. Press the eyeballs on. Use that same red frosting gel to make a jagged little mouth. Add a couple of scars and your eerie cake pops are complete. For these fun goodies, pour some Rice Krispies into a bowl. Drop in a chunk of marzipan. Mix it in with the Rice Krispies until they're all stuck together. Pull the mixture apart into 2 sections. Use red and blue food coloring on one half. Massage the color into the mixture. It should turn purple. Now pull this purple goo into 2 pieces. Form the brim of the witch hat with 1 piece. Then make a cone for the top part of the hat. Stick them together. You can make as many colors as you like. Tie gummy worms around the hat for extra trim. These witch hats look wickedly tasty. Find or make some white candies. Make the iris of the eyeball with green frosting gel. Add some veins with red frosting gel. Use a toothpick to detail them out. Put a pupil in the center with black frosting gel. Then put them in a serving dish. Your friends will freak out when they realize the treats are staring back at them. You're definitely going to want to sink in your teeth into these tasty morsels. Let's start by cutting a cookie in half. Break 3 toothpicks in half and push them into the edge of the cookie, like this. Push 4 bite-sized marshmallows onto the toothpicks to make the vampire teeth. Then stick the other half of the cookie on top. Your sweets are now smiling at you. Delicious. You can use different cookies and frosting gel too. melon slivers make excellent fangs. These little critters are totally easy to make. All you have to do is grab an Oreo cookie, then draw a spider web with white icing on top. Add a chocolate candy in the center, then paint on a couple of creepy spider eyes using white and red icing. Pieces of licorice make for delicious spider legs. Cut 6 pieces into equal lengths. Place them on your spider web icing. Then add the chocolate spider body on top. Then enjoy! Yum! For this candy hack, you'll need some pretzel sticks and some marshmallows. Push the marshmallows onto the ends of your pretzel stick. If you don't have marshmallows, you can use fondant on the ends. Next, melt some white chocolate into liquid form. Dip your marshmallow pretzel stick into the melted white chocolate, stirring it around to fully coat it. Then pull it out with thongs or chopsticks and let the chocolate cool and harden. It's magical. When you're done, you'll have a delicious treat to hand out to trick-or-treaters. Or you can just keep them for yourself. It's apple season. Let's turn this one into a deadly dessert. Poke a hard plastic straw into the center of an apple. Dip the apple in melted chocolate. Set the apples on foil to cool and harden. Use frosting to stick on some M&M eyes. Make the nose and mouth with gel icing. Then add some gummy candies on the sides. Use white or brown chocolate and make as many candy apples as you like. This one is too good not to share. Grab some jelly-filled candies and cut them into slices. Just a dot of black food coloring in the center should do the trick. Roll out your foil and make a tray with it, like this. Melt your chocolate, then pour it into your homemade tray. Smooth the chocolate out with the back of your spoon. M&Ms make any treat better. Carefully place your candy and your eyeballs in the chocolate before it cools. Let the chocolate set. Then when you pop it out, you'll have a one-of-a-kind eyeball candy bar. How creepy cool is that? This treat will surely come in handy when you're trying to spook your friends. You'll need a bowl of caramel popcorn and a clear plastic glove. Put some gummy candies at the tip of each finger inside the glove. Next, open up the glove and pour in the popcorn. Tie it closed with a string. Then give yourself a hand for making these awesome treats. Get it? Hand? Okay, we'll stop with the bad puns. Happy Halloween! Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. Catch you later!